Once again, the board acquiesced. Focus on profit maximization rather than product design. Jobs' talk led him to reconsider. I remember very clearly Steve announcing that our goal is not just to make money, but to make great products, I've recalled. The decisions you make based on that philosophy are fundamentally different from the ones we had been making at Apple. Ive and Jobs would soon forge a bond that would lead to the greatest industrial design collaboration of their era. Ive grew up in Chingford, a town on the north